Hi guys, it's two-dimensional paranormal hunter. I am doing a quick video of my home. I've just been hearing some more noises and just thought I would put my camera on to see if I can capture it on camera. I'm home alone, so I just thought TV's off. How many spirits are here at the moment, please? Can you tell me? Can you tell me how many spirits are here? Talking to my camera, tell me your name. You show yourself on camera. Are you afraid to do that? Show yourself. That's the fun there, guys, because it's so hot in here. In England, we don't have air conditioning. Some of the homes and most of the homes. Can you come forward and talk to me? What's your name? Can you tell me your name? I'm going to put the spirit box on, guys. Hello, spirits. Come forward, please. Talking to my camera. Run. Why do you tell me to run? You always say that. Why do I have to run, spirits? Or are you telling somebody else to run? Are you here? Yes. Hi. Can you show yourself on camera? I'm doing this video, guys, because I've heard a noise. Well, not just one noise. I've heard a few noises and tapping. Could you tell me who was tapping, please? Spirits, please. Can you tell me who was tapping? Yes, it's a video. Can you move something so I can capture it on camera? Can you do that for me? Can you show yourself? Can you move a cushion? Are you capable of moving a cushion? On the sofas, can you do that? Over there and there? Can you do that, please? Are you capable of doing that? Prove to me, Ron. Prove to me that you do exist. Come forward. Show yourself. Where are you? Where are you? Show yourself. I'll just shut this door in the bathroom. Don't let that on display. Can you show yourself on camera? Can you do that for me? Are you on the stairs? Yes or no? I'm just going to stand up there, guys, a minute and balance it. While I go and get the speaker. It's not working. Very loud. That's me making that noise. I'm just going to set this speaker up. Hello, spirits. Okay, I've got my speaker set. Don't know what happened there, guys. Must have knocked it off. I'm just going to turn this down. Are you on the stairs? Yes or no? Yes? Are you on the stairs? No. Where are you? Where are you then? Can you tell me? Where are you? Where? Where are you? Who knocked the camera off? Can you tell me?
Fine.
Who did it?
It was terrifying.
What's terrifying? Can you show yourself on camera? Do spirits exist? Ed. Why does Ed keep coming into my video? Can you move them cushions over there? Them there? Or them there? Can you do that? Can you do that, Spirit? Can you show yourself? Shadow figure? Can you do that for me? Is that possible? I'm just going to knock this off, guys, for a minute. Spirits, please give me proof that you're here. Move those coasters off the sofa. Move a cushion. Knock those vases out the window. Do whatever you have to. Knock the lamp over. Knock these over. Just please give me proof that you're here. Show yourself as a shadow figure. Are you capable of doing that? Can you do that? Talking to this camera. I heard a noise. Okay, I'm going to knock this back on, guys.
Run.
Ron, is that you that made that noise? Yes or no? What was that noise? Who was it that was making noises and bangings earlier? Can you tell me? Spirits, please, could you tell me? I will help you when I finish the video. I'll say a prayer to help you to pass over. Can you show yourself, please? Stand in front of this camera. Can you do that? There's something there, guys. On the camera. Yeah, I can't see it. On the wall. Do not see that on the wall. That's strange. Is that you over there? Yes or no?
Chemical.
Just say yes or no, please. Have you answered me?
What?
It could be a reflection, but I don't see it. Unless I look into the camera, then I can see it. Spirit. Okay. Could be a reflection, guys, I don't know. I cannot see it on the wall. I can only see it when I look in the camera.
This is why. Ow.
Okay, spirits. You're not going to do nothing on camera as usual. You always wait until the camera's on before you do it. Please do something now while the camera's on. I'm just going to knock you off. Can you say bye? Can you say bye-bye? Bye.
In there.
I'll put her back on in a minute. Bye. that's off. Show yourself. See, that's still there. I think it must be a reflection. I know I can't see it unless I look in the camera. But that must be a reflection. Can't be anything else because it hasn't moved. So, make something move, spirits. Show me that you're here. Please. Show yourself as a dark shadow or a light shadow, whatever your shape or form is. Show yourself as an orb. Can you do that? I can hear my heart pounding in my ears. Ooh, and I'm sweating. I know you're here. You're just hiding and being quiet. Why? Why are you being quiet? Okay, I'm going to put this back on, guys.
Connected to Sandra Knox's iPad.
Spirits, why can't you move something? Are you allowed to move things? You move that remote on the poofy? Can you do that? Can you move that remote control? Please? There's nothing attached to them, guys. Can you move that for me? Don't interrupt me.
30 Saturn.
Move that remote, please. Can you do that for me?
Did.
Can you move that remote? Move that remote, please.
Adrian.
Can you do that for me? Spirits?
Well.
Move the wire on the phone. Move the flowers.
Did.
Can you do that? No. That's the thing, they won't do it on camera. They won't do nothing on camera. Why can't you do anything on camera? Are you afraid?
Grace.
Are you afraid, spirits?
You know.
Are you afraid, spirits? Why are you afraid? Move that remote. Prove to me that you're here.
They said, oh.
Prove to me, spirits, that you're here. Move that remote. Prove to me that I am talking to spirits from the spirit world. Please, prove to me that I'm talking to you.
There's someone.
Are you really talking to me?
Doorway. Like you said 30.
Doorway. You're going to show yourself on camera?
No. What's that? No.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you for coming through and talking. Saying so you won't do anything. Bye, spirits. What the hell was that? Whoa, what was that? Somebody's made a noise. I'm sure I've just heard something, guys.